Before we proceed further, let's quickly recap what we have studied in our previous video. We studied resources are classified in three types: natural, human-made, and human resources. Natural resources are drawn from nature and used without much modification. Natural resources are classified into different groups depending upon their level of development and use, origin, stock, and distribution. Children, I hope you all have completed this assignment. Please check your answers for the same before we proceed with the video. In this video, I'll be covering following topics. First, human-made resources. Second, human resources. And last, conserving resources. As we have finished with the classification of natural resources, we move on to the next classification, that is human-made resources. Human-made resources is defined as sometimes natural substances become resources only when their original form has been changed. For example, iron ore was not a resource until people learned how to extract iron from it. Children, technology is also a human-made resource because it has been developed by human beings. People use natural resources to make several things like building, bridges, roads, machineries, vehicles, etc. Our next classification is human resources. Human resource. People can make best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skills, and technology to do so. This is the reason why human beings are a special resource. People are human resource. People exchange their skills, knowledge, and ideas, and with the help of technology, they become a resource to each other. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. And it is important to improve the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources. And this is known as human resource development. So this is a definition for human resource development. How do we define it? Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Children, do you remember Mona, Raju and their Amma when we started up with the lesson? Yes, there is one more story regarding these three. Now what happened? Mona had a nightmare. She dreamt that all the water on the earth had dried up and all the trees cut down. There was no shade and nothing to eat or drink. People were suffering and roaming around desperately, looking for food and shade. Mona told her Amma about the dream and she asked, Amma, can this really happen? To this, Amma replied, yes, if we are not careful, then even renewable resources can become very scarce and the non-renewable resources will get exhausted. Now Raju started wondering and he asked, what can we do about it? Children, we can do lot more to conserve our resources. Children, now let's understand what does conserving resources mean. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resources conservation. This means we should utilize the amount we require, whatever resource it may be. We should not overuse or overexploit. We should give time to get these resources to replenish again. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future generations is called sustainable development. This means we need to have a balance between our new need and the use of resources. And we should always conserve or save them for coming generations. There are many ways of conserving resources. One way you all must have studied in your earlier classes. Do you remember this symbol? The three arrows go hand in hand. What does this specify? Yes, reduce, reuse and recycle. Important 3R. This is one effective way of conserving our resources. Here are some principles of sustainable development. First, respect and care for all forms of life. We should respect all forms of life that is present on this planet. Improve the quality of human life. We need to improve the quality of human life by sharing our ideas, skills. Conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. We need to conserve or preserve the earth's vitality. That means we need to keep our earth healthy and energetic, and also conserve the different forms of life, the biodiversity that is present on this planet. Minimize the depletion of natural resources. We should use the natural resources very less. We should not overutilize or overexploit it. Change personal attitude and practices toward the environment. We should change our attitude. We should keep our environment safe, clean, and we should change the attitude of deteriorating the quality of our environment. Enable communities to care for their own environment. We should make people aware about the deterioration or the degradation of the environment. We should make them aware that we should keep our environment clean and safe. Now here children are discussing something about the conservation of the resources. Here Mustafa, Jessie, Mona and Raju are there. So Mustafa says electricity should not be wasted in a house. Jessie says every drop of water is precious, so it should not be wasted. Mona says many trees are cut down to make paper. Be careful not to waste paper. And Raju says together we can make a difference. Yes children, together we can really make a difference. The future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that the nature provides. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable, the diversity of life on the earth is conserved, and the damage to the natural environmental system is minimized. Let's quickly recap. People use natural resources to make several things like buildings, bridges, roads, etc. Technology is a human-made resource. Humans themselves are a resource. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. And balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for future generations is called sustainable development. Children, please read this lesson one more time, and question answers to this lesson will be uploaded in PDF format. Thank you and have a nice day.